What's up, guys? Will H back with another video. As you guys see, the iPhone 15 Pro Max is in the building. So it took me a while to decide if I wanted to pick this device up, mainly because it has eSIM, and I'm still not on board with the eSIM 100%, but I guess I may as well be, because that's the direction that they're going in right now. So my main SIM has been in my Google Pixel 4 for the last few months. That's my #1 line. Now I do have a Mint Mobile card that I use as a secondary line. So I think what I'm going to do is go back and make this my #1 line, and I'll use my Fold and other devices on my second line. So here's the packaging. This is the natural titanium, the color that I wanted. Here's the box, iPhone, got the Apple logo, iPhone there. And like I said, this is a 512. So let's go ahead and unbox this thing. So you got your pull tabs. Get that out of the way. And get this one out of the way. And there it is. So we already know there's not much in the box, but I wanted to see this color in person. And whoa, it's a little different than what I thought. And it looks good. It looks good. I'm going to put it over to the side. It's not quite what I thought. So here's the braided cable. Everybody's seen this. Everyone talking about the braided cable. Very nice cable, Type C to Type C. Another thing that I wanted with the device. And we got our Apple stickers. We got one Apple sticker right here in your little pamphlet there. Designed by Apple in California. So that's all in the box, man. Next year we'll probably just get the box and the phone. So here's the device, and straight off the bat it is lighter color on the back of it than what I thought. Here it is. It's a good looking device, but the pictures make it look, I think I like the pictures better. That's my first impression. It is somewhat light in comparison. Let me get my 14 Pro Max right here. Yeah, I can definitely feel the difference in the weight. So that is true, what I've been hearing about that. Here's the sides of it, if that will focus. We'll hold it here. That's more focus right there. So this is a little rounded, a little more rounded. Going around the corners here. That's the new action button, your volume up and down buttons. Let's go ahead and peel this off. So not too, that wasn't too satisfying there, but that is it. And then at the bottom, something that I was looking forward to is the Type C. So you got your microphone, speaker. So for the cameras on the back, we got a 48 megapixel f1.8 wide. You're also gonna have a 12 megapixel f2.8 periscope telephoto. You got a 12 megapixel f2.2 ultra wide. This camera can shoot 4K at 60 FPS, and it has the new 5x optical zoom. Now the front camera on here, this is going to be a 12 megapixel f1.9 wide. It also can shoot 4K at 60 FPS. The display is a 6.7 inch Super Retina 1290 by 2796 resolution, 460 ppi, and this is a ceramic shield glass, 120 hertz refresh rate as well. Now the battery in this is going to be a 4,441 milliamp hour battery. The weight of it is 7.80 ounces, and this is Corning made glass on the back of it. And of course, we got this titanium frame right here. IP68 dust and water. That's just a few of the features and details. There are plenty more to go out there. I'm quite sure you guys are familiar. Let's go ahead and fire this up and see if it has any power here. So my main thing that I'm excited about is the Type C, not so much the action button, but I get more storage. I get the Type C. Maybe I can use my SSDs and stuff like that. And the camera's supposed to be improved as well, so I'm looking forward to that. I've heard about the heating issues. Hopefully I don't have that with my device, but we shall see. So here's the boot up screen, guys. This is my first impressions of the iPhone 15 Pro Max. I'll definitely come back with more videos on this in the future. So catch you guys in the next video. Will H, I'm out.